So guys, good afternoon, and how are you guys doing? So I have a lot of updates for BTC, so I decided to do this short video so that you guys will get to see what is happening and what I think will likely play out. So everything I'm about to share with you guys is not financial advice. So let's go to the daily time frame. We'll do this very fast. And I want you guys to pay close attention to what I'm about to share. So majorly, you know, guys, I use Ichimoku, and that is my best indicator. So let's go straight to this and see what I tried to explain to you guys. So now we're looking at Ichimoku on the daily time frame, and this is the current move here. So I'm going to try, I'll try to explain this and show you guys what happened here. Maybe it will likely repeat itself. That's what technical analysis is all about, to take look at what happened in the past and see if it will repeat itself. So now I would go down to, okay, daily time frame rather. So I had a previous chart here when we talked about the edge to edge, when price came down to this level, got to this level, and this cloud support held price, bounced up, showed this rising wedge, and you can see price broke inside, closed inside the cloud, and then pushed lower. Now this flat cloud here, which is the single span B, is a level where you can set a buyback and hold for some time. So price held that level, consolidated inside. We had that TK bullish crossing inside the cloud, and you can see price pushed back up. So now we're seeing the same thing here now, and I'm going to explain two different scenarios. No, I think three different scenarios rather. So we can see price closed inside. I updated you guys, showed you guys this move when price was around here. I said we'll likely get an edge-to-edge trade, and you can see price has actually gone straight down to the flat cloud. So now, what do you think will happen? Personally, this is what I think will happen. Now you can see this is going flat and this is going far away from the red EMA. So the blue EMA is going far, this is going flat. So if this curves like this and this continues to go flat, two things will likely happen. We're going to get price pushing back up to test the red EMA, which is the key zone, and that is what we call a C clamp or TK disequilibrium. Now, at the point where we have that push go back up, we will likely get that consolidation. Now, that is the first scenario. Second scenario, we're going to get the red EMA push back down, and when price goes up, it will push back down again, consolidate more, and price will push up, and we'll get that breakout. But take note of this. Just because you're seeing this candlestick doesn't mean that we're totally out of the bearish move. So this is not a total bearish market until when we have this Chico span close or move below the cloud. Then can I say, okay, it's time for us to start looking at the bearish side. So for now, you can see Chico span has formed that support here, that's curved up. So now we're going to get, if this candlestick closes this way, take note of take note of the resistance ahead. We have this resistance here. So price will likely hold at this level, or even if it breaks out, it's gonna consolidate within this zone before we get that push to the upside. So and again, what I shared with you guys, I shared this bullish divergence, where if you guys are in my signal group, you must have seen me share this. It's one of the signals I shared. This bullish divergence. It is very important. And one thing about bullish divergence is it needs thorough confirmation before you can trade it. Though I cannot just trade bullish divergence until I see that perfect level. So, and again, what I am seeing here, which is starting to build up, is like maybe we're gonna get a complex head and shoulder chart pattern. What is a complex head and shoulder chart pattern? So let me just draw that, and I'm just saying this. I don't know if it will play out, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted if you are on my signal group. And if you have not joined my signal group, you can do that by clicking on the link in the description below. So so this is two left shoulders and this is head. So this is yet to be completed. So now a complex head and shoulder chart pattern is a pattern in which you likely get either one head, double left shoulder and double right shoulder, or you get one left shoulder, one right shoulder and double heads. So when this gets this level, we should expect some kind of strong pullback if the sellers are strong enough to hold price down. So if it pulls back, then we should be expecting another right shoulder and push to the upside. So I'm just saying this, that's why I decided to share this again. So, and we'll just leave it this way. I just wanted to do this short video to show you guys what I am looking at. I wanted to do this short video because I would not be able to do that using the chat. So the same thing happening here, the bounce inside a cloud, the bounce inside a cloud. And what the bigger picture here is that the Chico span is still above the cloud, which is a bullish signal. So if this breaks out of this cloud, then we'll be aiming for higher targets. So I think I'm pretty much clear with the signal I just shared with you guys. And I would continue to update the chat if you are on my signal group. So if you have any question, please do well to ask me any question on Telegram, on Instagram. Just link up with me and I will definitely try my best to reply you. And if you have not joined my signal group, like I said earlier, check the link in the description below and click on it. It will take you straight to my signal group. So guys, happy trading and stay safe. Yeah, one more thing, I will be dropping more great setups on ETH and the rest of the coin. Bye-bye, guys.